If you have Gemini or Google Assistant completely deactivated on your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, and now you want to turn it back on, then in that case you can just simply go to the Gemini app. So open the app drawer and choose Gemini. You will have this turn on button, so we're gonna just use it. Over here we have the welcome message, so we're gonna use Gemini over here. We're gonna use the use Gemini button. And there we go, Gemini is now reactivated. You can once again use it. If you prefer to use Google Assistant, then you can tap on your Google account in the upper right corner, and then in here we can switch to Google Assistant. There we go, here we can tap on Google Assistant and confirm that we want to switch. Besides that, there's also the power button shortcut, of course, so if you want to make sure that you can once again use power button to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, then in settings you want to go to additional settings, then over here choose gesture shortcuts, then we can go to launch digital assistant and we can enable this option over here. And of course choose start using Google Assistant in case you need to confirm. Leave a like and subscribe.